Kamusta po? You're watching Leo News Unfiltered. Okay, so guys, panoorin natin tong eksena na sa Senado ay kung saan itong si Rodante Marcoleta, dinidispute niya yung pag-promote ng mga 5 generals dito sa Commission on Appointments. Okay? Kasi nga meron special session ngayong araw na to na inanunsyo yung palasyo. Kasi nga si Bongbong Marcos may kapangyarihan para maglagay ng special session whether sa Senado at sa Kongreso. So, napaka-importanteng ma-promote po yung mga 5 generals kasi nga magre-retire na sila, malapit na. At merong kontrabida. Hindi talaga nawawala itong si Rodante Marcoleta sa listahan ng mga kontrabida sa Senado. At dito dinidispute niya yung edad, okay? Kasi nga merong line doon sa sa batas na para mag-retire po ng maaga ang isang uh, uh, armed forces official ay dapat po nasa 57 years old na po. Kaso nasa 56 itong mga generals natin. Okay? So, let's watch this. And then dito susupalpalan ni Senator Ping Lacson itong si Ilocos Este, si Rodante Marcoleta. So let's watch it first.
What I heard is an assumption that was passed on to the secretary of this commission. Somebody presumed that. May I ask the secretary to explain that is enough to override the clear provision of the law?
To
Yeah.
clarify, hindi next year. Before May 25, 2026, yung nag-resume tayo ng first regular session. Kasi nag-break tayo. Bago tayo mag-resume, they were given ad interim appointments by the President. So yun po yung ina-apply natin because a special session that we are having today is a continuation of the first regular session, Mr. Chairman. So yung birthday nila fell after. Kailan ang birthday mo, General? May 14. So yung ad interim appointments were given before May 14, I suppose. So it's the clarification that I manifested earlier, Mr. Chairman. How about the others? Covered sila ng interim appointments before May 25, di ba? Were given your time having resumed on May 25. Hindi po kayo makakover ng 1 year.
Okay. So yung sinasabi ni Senator Ping Lacson ay yung ad interim request ay binigay po sa kanila ng presidente bago nung mag-resume. Okay? So ano yung ad interim request? Ayon sa Google, ito refers to a provisional or temporary request commonly encountered in government and legal proceeding. So in the Philippines, it usually involves asking the president to issue an ad interim appointment, a permanent appointment made while the Congress is in recess. Kasi nga nasa recess sila before. At bago mag-resume ulit, ay nabigyan na sila before mag-resume at bago mag-birthday itong mga generals. Okay? So, ayon dito, the Commission on Appointment handles confirmation for these presidential selection for an instance official request for clearance, waivers, or personal appearance for diplomat require specific CA submission. So, yun ang pinupunto ni ano, Senator Ping na binigyan po sila ng ad interim ng Pangulo ni Bongbong Marcos, permanent appointment yan. Okay? At uh, f- na, uh, kumbaga nasa line siya before mag-resume. Means ayon kay no kay Senator Ping na yung special session ay continuation ng uh, first session 25. So klaro, di ba? Itong si Marcoleta ayaw na ma-appoint. Dinidispute niya kasi nga batas, pero meron namang basihan. Sige, continue natin kasi dito ano na meron siyang addition sa si Marcoleta merong addition sa sinabi ni ano ni Ping Lacson.
Mr. Chair, that is an assumption. Somebody should explain from this committee if that assumption is correct. Because the law is the law. They have just reached their age of 56 and they were bypassed. That is a fact. We cannot change that fact, Mr. Chair.
Ano daw? Okay. So galit na galit, 'di ba? Parang ano ba, ayaw niyo bang i-appoint yung mga generals? Okay, pero eventually sasabihin niya na hindi na daw dinidispute. Gusto niya daw.
That is the only point that I'm trying to raise here. Kasi maliwanag po yung sinasabi naming batas. Wala po tayong personalan dito. I hope that these 5 officers, gusto ko rin naman sila na mailagay natin sa tamang ayos ng kanilang confirmation. But there is a hurdle here. Ilang ang problema rito, Mr. Chair, kasi maliwanag po yung sinasabi ng batas. Lumilitaw, after their compulsory retirement, less than 1 year na eh. As a matter of fact, they were unable to submit the documents for... Hindi ko po alam, but only the secretary can testify when exactly were they able to complete the documents for confirmation.
Sana bago siya magsabi na hindi niya alam, basta si secretary lang yung nakakaalam, sana kinonfirm na lang, di ba? O para at least yung mga generals na sana po noong June 1, 2, or 3, na-appoint na. Tapos ngayon, meron siyang gustong ihabla na hindi dapat sila kasi nga na nagko-conflict doon sa batas.
Kasi tayo nag-adjourn. Sana man lang before adjournment, sinabi natin, nag-schedule tayo na i-confirm natin sila. Wala nga silang kasalanan, but somebody is at fault here. And then we have now a problem with the law.
Kung sino pong may kasalanan, sino po? Ano sa tingin niyo? Yung grupo ng Kawatanog Black. Sila. Kasi nga hindi sila pumasok nung June 1, 2, or 3. Na sana doon pa lang na-discuss na to at na-resolve na. O ngayon, nagwawak-wak siya na nagbumabangga yung edad ng mga generals dito sa sa law, which is the Republic Act 11939.
We could just simply say na we assume that they are not covered by 1 year ban. No.
Dito, move forward natin kasi medyo mabot na. But, merong isang, let's see, ito. Ang last part ni Marcoleta. Kasi nga, yan.
Thank you, Honorable Mark.
Ito, dito.
We're misleading our members po. Importante ito. Kung wala namang mag-object sa kanila, I'm just pointing for the record that there is a law that must be.
Thank you, Honorable Marcoleta.
Eventually, hindi niya na ino-object. Kasi nga daw, para ma-appoint na. Kaso nga lang, yun. Ang daming usapan, ang daming pang pinag-usapan, no? Pero everyone agree. No one objects. No one actually objects with what Marcoleta is saying. Tapos nga, si Bongo mismo at yung minority isang congressman doon sa House, they all agree doon sa confirmation ng mga generals. Si Marcoleta lang, medyo ano lang medyo ano siya, ayaw. Pero sige na nga, kung wala mag-object.
Considering that earlier there was a motion of
Yes.
Honorable
Go ahead, Mr. Chairman. I was just going to manifest
considering
that
that
this is the manifestation of the mission appointments is a different in constitutional body than Congress itself kung tutuusin. Debatable yun. Kaya talagang pwedeng continuation.
Ngayon, yung isang congressman sa likod niya, no, sa left side ni Senator Soto, na iba yung commission ng appointments sa Kongreso. Diba? At continuing yung actual na nangyayari dito. Okay? At lastly, dito in-appoint na ng commission ng
Honorable
appointments.
Soto.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Since there's no objection and there was a previous motion, so I move to
Considering that there's no, the previous motion of Honorable Lacson is hereby approved. Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. Chair, since there are no more objections, I move to recommend to the plenary for the commission to confirm the added appointments of the 5 generals and flag officers of the AFP. So move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion without any objection, Leader.
In-approve, walang objection, pero may sinabi si Marcoleta. Okay? At kung meron pong mag-object, dapat sinuportahan nila yung ni Marcoleta na hindi papasok itong mga generals. Pero as the commission appointments, they agreed, no objection. So that means their promotion are approved. At para sa akin, serbisyo, pagpugay na sa kanila at pagbigay ng serbisyo sa mamayang Pilipino. We are honored sa lahat ng mga armed forces officials, mga sundalo na promoprotekta sa ating bansa. So dapat we go move forward at clearly itong special session na nangyari sa Senado ngayon ay napaka smooth, clear at walang actually merong banggaan na nangyari between Risa and Pia Cayetano. But when it comes to Kids Commission appointments, everything is good. So yun. Salamat po guys. If meron kayong comment, suggestion, Paki-comment po sa comment section at if nagustuhan niyo po ito, please hit the like and subscribe button. Salamat and see you sa susunod na video.